Well, today we're packing care packages to send to our soldiers overseas, which is very important. I was excited to hear that we were doing that, having been a recipient of several care packages.
I'd like to have all people who have served or are currently serving in the military to please stand up.
I have received care packages. It meant a lot just to get something from your family or someone you didn't know.
Well, I served in Vietnam from June of 1968 to June of 1969. It's nice to know that people back home think about you and remember you and are thankful for what you're doing for our country.
Exelon Military is actively connected. It's one of the employee resource groups here at Constellation. EMAC allows us to give back to the community. We do a lot of work with community service organizations for veterans.
The mission of Operation Gratitude is twofold. The first part of our mission is to lift the morale and spirits of our military and first responder communities. The second part of our mission is to allow every American the opportunity to show their appreciation for those who serve. Since 2003, more than 350,000 volunteers from across the country have been mobilized, and we've put together more than 2 million care packages. What you're doing today is important, and it is making a difference, and I appreciate what you do.
I was in the Marine Corps. When I was over, we got baby wipes, because we couldn't really take showers, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and which is kind of the same thing that we're putting in today. Pringles, cookies. I mean, we got some good stuff.
Somebody I didn't even know sent me a package. It was quite awesome. I mean, I knew my family would care, but I didn't think strangers would care. Yeah. People are having a blast, you know, everyone's rushing to get as much stuff in as they can.
It's just a different type of feeling to work for a company like this. The diversity and the family togetherness just felt all together just great. You know, it's a whole lot more to it than just giving them a care package. It's just letting them know that somebody cares. So even if it's just in a card to say, thank you for your service, that means a lot.